A Vieux-Fort family struggles to come to terms with the loss of a loved one after a gruesome freak accident claimed the life of 27-year-old Alphonse Walter of Grace Vieux-Fort. The young man was reportedly pinned between an excavator bucket and a water tank. For the father of the deceased, the heartbreaking news of his youngest son's untimely demise would come from his older brother.
Ek mwen pli gwan fwe ak avini. So mwen même di maman, mi gason mwen kavini, sa se Eustace Walter. So il di mwen, Daddy, gwen kouye yan fwe, kouye ek ide yan boket Excavator, kouye Alphonse. I kouye mwen, ek di mwen, i vin gade pou mwen mani transport,
The parents of the accident victim say the circumstances surrounding the tragic death of their youngest son are still being pieced together.
Yan lot kouye fwe ek iding yon ki te ale Excavator te kamade yan bouteille de l'eau, me ite a terre. So le vowe bouteille de l'eau a ba ou conseil operator, me change steering la pate la clé. So moi même ben en le steering là kapwen pawe bouteille de l'eau. So moi api en le liva. Ek liva tourner et ben si drop en lay, mon pas ça maté là. C'est yan just quasi all koy.
Commission c'est moi je ni mo, yo di mo. Ek moi pas avant encore ma ki manière ki pa ki manière ki sa yo fait be ki manière fait bay la but c'est just pige yo di moi bay la pige.
Family members now depend on each other for emotional support after the dreadful sudden passing of the young man.
Well, nous gani pou chebe because bay la ija fait. Nous pas empêcher ça a fait so. Nous gani pou chebe for pour nous ki manière nous ça fait et puis c'est dernier ti boy moi.
Alphonse Walter was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead by a medical doctor at 2:10 p.m. Law enforcement is reportedly investigating the circumstances surrounding the accident at La Puette, Monrepo. Sula Alfred, HTS News Force.